Hello dear students, welcome to Axiometry course. This video is the part of the solution series for CSIR NET December 2019 and we are doing this problem 94 from the partial differential equation. So have a look. A possible initial strip for the Cauchy problem PQ is equal to 1 where P represents the partial derivative of Z with respect to X and Q represents the partial derivative of Z with respect to Y. And x naught of s is s, y naught of s is 1 by s, z naught of s is 1 for s greater than 1 is. So what we have to find out? We have to find out a possible initial strip for the Cauchy problem, alright, PQ is equal to 1. So we have a Cauchy problem. Now what I want you to know, a note, right? So let me write that note for you and then we will discuss about that note. So see, this is how a general Cauchy problem look like. So if we have f a function of pq, the pq are the same which are defined over here, all right, and it is equal to k where k is some constant. Then the solution for this Cauchy problem is given by z is equal to ax plus by plus c. Now what are a and b? We don't know, but we know that their product will be k, all right. So now what is your problem? Your problem is PQ is equal to 1. So in this case, your K is 1. So solution, this will imply solution will be Z is equal to AX plus BY plus C, where AB is 1. Now what we can do in order to reduce number of variable in this solution, we will just find out the value of b from here. If we will find out the value of v, this will imply z is given by ax plus 1 by a. All right, we can do that because we have product as 1 and a is non-zero number, all right, because their product is 1. So 1 by a y plus c, this will be your solution. Now you are given with the initial condition that x naught s is s, y naught s is 1 by s and z naught s is 1. This is your initial condition, all right. So now let us put your initial condition in it, then let us see what will happen. All right, so this is what we will get when we apply this initial condition to this star solution. Let us mark it as a star. So this will happen. So we want to find out a. So what I will do, I will take c on the left hand side and then I will multiply with as on both sides. Then we will get this equation: a square s square minus as 1 minus c plus 1. All right, don't worry with it. It's just a simple calculation. All right, now we are getting this. So from here we see it's a quadratic equation in the variable as. So if it is a quadratic equation in the variable as, then what should happen? The value of as should be given by 1 minus c, all right, minus is already cancelled by minus here, plus minus under root of 1 minus c whole square 4ac. So you will get minus 4 over here by 2. So this is what we will get. All right, now see, if you will square, if you will open the square over here, then what will happen is this 1 minus c plus minus under root. All right, so if you will open the square and if you will factorize this this equation over here, you will end up with this c minus 3 by c plus 1 by 2. So this is what we will get. Let me erase the other part. All right, so let us see here that you are getting your as in this form. Now see, we can just cancel this a from here. All right, we can take it on the denominator part. Now what was your solution? Your solution was solution to the PDE is given by this formula. All right, now see what we have to find out possible initial strip. Now this was initial strip x naught, y naught and z naught. We already know the value of x naught, we already know the value of y naught and we already know the value of z naught. That means we have to just find out the value of P naught and Q naught. What will be P naught? P is the partial differentiation of z with respect to x. That means we have to find out this at x naught, y naught and z naught. All right, so we have to find out this P naught. So if you will partially differentiate your solution here with respect to x, you will get a only, because y will be 0 and c will be 0, because they both are constant. Now what is the value of Q naught? So Q naught is given by del z by del y at x naught, y naught, z naught. So what you will get? You will get, I think, y will be 1, this will be 0, this will be 0. Therefore, you will get 1 by a. So what will be your initial strip? Initial strip will be s, 1 by s, then z naught. So what is z naught? It is 1, comma, P naught. Was it P naught? It's a, 1 by a. So this actually represents your initial strip. Now see, we have evaluated the value of a for you. All right. Here c is an arbitrary constant. All right. C is an arbitrary constant. All right. It's the equation of the plane. So it was an arbitrary constant. We can put any value of c. So if you want, let us, what we have to find out possible initial strip. That means it can happen that by putting various values of c, you can get more than one answer. All right, you are getting a comma 1 by a is totally dependent upon c. If you will put c over here, you will get your a. Now see, if you will put your c as, all right, for the option 1, I am telling you, if you put your c as 1, let us see what will happen. If you put your c as 1, then what will happen? All right, so if you put c as 1, this will be 0, this will be 2, and this will be minus 2. All right, so you will get something iota. I think we should put c is equal to minus 1, then it will work. So if you put c is equal to minus 1, you will get 2 from here, and you will get 0 from this square root thing, because you are putting c is equal to minus 1. So this is 0. So you 2 by 2s, it means a is 1 by s for you. All right. So if a is 1 by s, this will imply 1 by a will be s. So according to this one, this will be replaced by 1 by s and this will be replaced by s. So therefore your initial strip 1 is a possible initial strip. All right. Now let us think over this issue, that what you should replace as a c, such that this becomes your solution. All right. Let us now talk about second option, sorry. So in the second option, you need minus 1 by s. That means you need a is in such a way that you got minus 1 over here. So what we can do, we can just place, if we will place c as, all right, so let me think over this issue. All right, so I got it, that if we will place c is equal to 3, all right, if we place c is equal to 3, then you will get your a to be, put here c is equal to 3, you will get minus 2 from here. All right, and you have this term under the square root will be 0, so you will get minus 2 by 2s. That means you will get minus s. Now if a is minus s, this will imply 1 by a will be minus s. So this means you can replace a with minus s and 1 by a with minus s. So this will be true also. Now for the third one, you see here that 1 by s and minus s is written over here. Do you think it is possible for a to obtain positive as well as negative value? All right, in this one you are getting 1 by s. So here you are getting minus s. So it's not possible for a, because you have a comma 1 by a. Here also the same thing is happening. That is why your third option is completely incorrect and fourth one is completely incorrect. So the possible initial strip for the Cauchy problem will be just 1 and 2. All right. So I hope you understand this problem. If not, you can always comment your queries in the comment section. If you have any other doubt than this one, then you can join our WhatsApp and Telegram groups. Links are given in the description part of the video. From there you can join. All right. So thank you.